One Money Ras, on the corner, night time. This is what we do. Port Antonio, night time, on the corner, MoneyRasTV. This is what we do, people. Yeah, man. Reason about the journey. Whosoever pop up or show up, we talk about whatever. You know what I mean, people? So please enjoy. You don't know, one Money Ras, never two. We're outside, not inside.
Nightlife in a Port Antonio. Look where them are done to, man. Rich and not talk. We get to listen to Ben Jive and Pop. I want to watch a TV and body's TV, you know. I want the people to come pretty, you know. Yeah, nightlife. Oh, tell with that.
Nightlife in Port Antonio.
Yeah. I don't know, man. Remember when we used to show me cat and selfie task. Now when music must sing the beat through the speakers. In the time they got cut jeans and slippers. They might want cheese and bitters. Give them the energy, them try use it. Missy said them a try hard to stop the music. Seem like the one me get the clock with 2 clips. But mine and I gonna make me lose it. Look where them a done to man. Look where them a done to man.
Let me tell you what I've come in there, I walk with it. May I tell you? What you mean,
Done more enough. And I spirit. I found it though, it's up yourself. Burn it on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, what up the state straight, you know?
me out from far. I'm afraid of that. I'm afraid of that. I eat dinner, man. Yo.
Alright. Yo, come in. Come in, man. Come in, man. Come in, man. Go what on. You know, man.
I don't know what I say. Maybe just you know the whole of mine. You call it. What over my sister? That's all. Thanks for coming to over.
One time we just have one class and we just have to do a big one. One big one you know some thing that I'm going me someone know me kinds of question. That's why I stay far. Yeah, always that. This one random question up on the board now. You know pay them no money, you turn on that bush one in your own. I hear them on that one. You look on them and hold long head and you them walk out.
I must go have the answer.
Yeah. And if you don't know to talk out for yourself, whole class and a half for you. What do you mean? When they do the law, normal. Yeah, and I see I saw this man the wise.
Yeah, man, the man that look out my own.
That's why I do the street wise.
Yeah, man.
You can't in a road and a teacher you them street wise.
Yeah, man, I know people don't know about it.
Enough man in a road and still don't know about road.
Yeah, because they not do nothing. When they come on the road, they dig out the yard and they see them.
Alright. When they come on road, listen to them. Ropes.
And the same thing with them going with the yard.
Same thing with them do every day. I want to go I want to brother. But someone does that. And everybody equal neither. I look if you like so much of them get that share them.
Because they don't know what they say.
in China, mother. And then beat. Then make them guys. Beat it, China borrow some from China, you know. China, you are around 12 months to come back with feed, you know. You know, you borrow it. You blend that pussy on 3 times. I wonder if you have a chance to me. I make you really know that you borrow something from me. That's not good, brother.
It's true because the China come and the China take over and stay so you have to
Smart, Mr. China I use.
So for me, I have money for the China, you know.
Alright.
You know.
Alright.
Because they have the things them where we have to go to them feet.
Alright.
If
they not have it, then try them best to get it.
Yes.
Alright.
Because they know say boy, yo,
Yeah, go come buy.
you come buy something from them. You see?
Running get to start by 1 and 2. Yeah, man, you have a word.
Yeah, man. But when them I see you have to.
Yeah?
You got to, yeah.
You know, I'm sure this man, I know I can lend this man on next 10 million. Alright.
Yeah.
Don't make you feel like they don't like this in there again. Anyway, I'm sitting in concern. Too much people fuck them over.
Yeah, a lot of them inky consignment.
The only way they run a consignment now, I like me to work in it.
Yes.
But they know me have to come out.
Yes, that means a boy. Yes, that means a boy when I work and you're not paying take it.
Alright.
You understand?
Alright.
Then I right way that man. And most of the people even know when they get the consignment, they kind of and go out and they make it, you know. They might deal with them issue, you know. While they should know the boy, they might go deal back to China. If China get into
we run the consignment register with somebody. I'm afraid.
You know, like,
You can't just send anybody.
you know, like a company consignment.
You know good.
The time I keep on running up there and then something.
Good you buy your 1 and 2 and put it up. You know, so you have a party in a year, the second time pop up the thing something.
Yes.
Yes, when I ready to give a party. Everything we have a fear.
Yeah, man.
Everything we have.
One will have one.
And if you use
One will have one.
Yeah, man, I know say I wanna just watch that one there though. I wanna want to see more. But it's to be continued. Outside.